Hi guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So today I'm doing a painting with leftover paint on a canvas that I am reusing. So this was a painting I didn't particularly like, and this is just a culmination of paints over the last couple weeks. So it's got all kinds of colors and paints and whatnot in there, and I like doing that because you kind of never know what you're going to get, and sometimes I get some of the most incredible paintings. Other times, maybe not so much. Kind of just depends on what kind of paint was in there and how old the paint is. I've found that it can last pretty well for basically about 2 weeks in the cup like that. And then after that, it starts to get a little wonky. Yeah. So I can get some dried pieces and stuff. I use a lot of blues, so I can already tell that this has a lot of blues in it. But it also has, it looks like reds and some metallics. So that's kind of cool. Go ahead and move this all around. This may or may not have Arteza paints in it. I'm not totally sure. Cool. That's pretty earthy. Awesome. All right. Well, we'll go ahead and let that sit there for a bit. See anything that may or may not develop. Usually with leftover pours, I get less cells because it's been sitting there for a while and all the air bubbles have come out of it, but you never know. So we'll be back. All right, we're back. Not really anything developed. Actually some tiny little cells in here. So let's go ahead and do our close-up. So this definitely looks to have some sort of metallic in here. It almost looks like a rose gold. Maybe it's just like a bronze mixing with a purple or something. But here is the lower right-hand corner. So you can see that there was red and probably maybe purple in there, but it's muted. Going over here to the upper left-hand corner, there's some little kind of cells came through there. And down to the lower left-hand corner. And then our center there. And back to the entire picture. All right, guys, so just to reiterate, save your leftover paint because you never know what you're gonna get. And for anyone who's kind of new to my channel, this is how I save my leftover paint. I just take one cup and put it on top of another, and the cups merge, and eventually I have enough paint to do a painting with. So the cool thing about it is it's my paint from a couple weeks, so it could be different kinds of paint. Sometimes some of them may have silicone in them or not. I haven't used any silicone recently, so this doesn't. But you know, it's going to be different things. So that's the exciting part about it. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see y'all next time.